Let's play some songs. This is so sticky, slimy.
Slimy. Eee. You tell them, how's your slime?
Hi, my name is Perse, and we gotta play this one. Do you want?
Oops, don't mix it.
Okay. Now let's play this one sticky. Come on. Whoa, do not mix.
So bouncy.
Yeah.
What are you gonna make?
We gotta make a bouncy this sucker. Put it rolling like a rock, and it's all done. Look, it's bouncy. Wing.
Ding.
It's so cool.
It feels disgusting,
Yeah.
but it's satisfying. Look at this.
Whoa.
Creep and crawl. Creep and crawl. You guys don't eat the slime. You tell them.
The guys don't eat the slime.
It's not allowed.
Yeah, it's not a food donut.
Yeah, it's not a food. It's dangerous. You're gonna choke.
Yeah, it's not a donut. It's a slimy. Let's blow a bubble for me. Whoa, don't
Okay, you blow it up. Show them. Ah. But it's not a balloon.
But it's a slime one.
Oopsie. We have another one slime here. This, open it.
Okay. It's a green slime.
Okay. Show them. Look at that. Nice. Squish, 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 squish. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Shake, 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 shake.
Let's make a balloon so that everyone will happy.
This one is a little hard.
Yeah. And it's so open. It needs this.
Oh, I don't mix it up
Okay, why?
because it will be hard to separate them if you mix them.
Okay. My slime! Do not mix it, Mama.
Okay.
Say sorry, Deep Percy.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay, you tell them bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.